Patrick, it's great to see you. Thanks for joining me this afternoon. We've been working together for a long time now between Cisco and Deloitte, and you and I have worked together as well for quite a while. What do you think makes our partnership so unique?
Nick, thanks so much for having me. It's a real pleasure, as I've shared with you many times, to work with you and the team. I would say the alliance is committed to, helping our clients overcome complex business challenges. Given how we leverage Cisco's extensive portfolio in industrial networking and IoT, as well as Deloitte's through our own capabilities as the leading global consulting and professional services firm, given the industry lens our joint customers require.
Yeah, and I think that's what we're here to talk about. It's such an important initiative between Cisco and Deloitte. Is working together in each of the industries. And one of the most important industries is the manufacturing industry, digitizing manufacturing. And in fact, Deloitte has launched this concept of a smart factory. Can you give me a little bit more about this concept, what it is, and what kind of technologies and business processes you've brought to bear in these industry smart factory centers you've built?
Yeah, you bet, Nick. It's really exciting. The Smart Factory by Deloitte really unites an evolving ecosystem of, leading solution providers, technology innovators, academic researchers, and futurists. And, we're doing some exciting work together. We're now able to demonstrate and communicate, as well as analyze and use information to really drive further intelligent actions back into the physical world. And all of that really creates an irreplaceable smart factory foundation for our joint customers.
It really does. And I can tell you, what this means for Cisco is that we're able to partner with you, who typically have different types of relationships with our customers, and being part of a proven, modernized industrial solution that our customers needs now is absolutely critical for Cisco, and getting exposure to new buyers that historically we may not have a relationship with that you do, really does help Cisco expand and extend our engagement with our customers, and leverage and have stronger use cases that we can bring to market together. Now, I know you've launched a number of these industry showcases in Montreal and in Wichita, Kansas, in the US. Why do you think they're such a game changer, and where do we go from here?
Yeah, I mean, Nick, it really is a game changer, given it delivers on tangible solutions to networking challenges in those industrial environments. And it's really been great to see. It's so much fun, I think, to watch. It helps manufacturers in their environments enhance their efficiency, anticipate industry shifts, and better serve their customers. Really all while focusing on business processes and improvement of their execution overall.
Where can any listener to our video go next to get more information around the smart factory environment, and in particular the smart factory showcases that Deloitte have built?
Yeah, Nick, I'm really excited about the direction we're headed in terms of deploying solutions to even more manufacturers around the globe. I think there are a number of ways. I think certainly, anyone can visit the Cisco Manufacturing Solutions page to really immerse themselves in the success stories and really kind of observe firsthand what that success has looked like. And certainly we're able to schedule, as joint customer visits to the Smart Factory, which really only helps those joint customers of ours see the value of our relationship and partnership firsthand.
Absolutely. And they are great facilities to take customers to. Patrick, it's been a pleasure talking with you today, as always. I'm super excited about continuing to build on our relationship together, having Deloitte working with Cisco to solve our customers' toughest business issues is world-class, and I truly appreciate the investment that you've made with Cisco over the years, and I look forward to further executing together as we go forward in Cisco's fiscal year 2025. Thanks for joining me today.
Nick, it's really my and our pleasure, and it's a privilege to partner with you and the team at Cisco. So thank you.